Nowadays, the video games or PC games are very popular. However, the pinball machine is still fun to play. And it's a wonderful way for kids to learn about engineering, while making themselves a fun game. This is a pinball machine made from cardboard, and some disposable items, such as pill bottles and soda cans. There are many examples of cardboard pinball machine on YouTube. Please refer to those examples. Make a basic pinball machine mechanism out of cardboard first. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to add a simple score counter and LED displays to your cardboard pinball machine. Now, let's see how to add a score counter. This is a score counter connection diagram. You need a limit switch, score counter, and 2 AA batteries. You can get each component on Amazon. For more detailed information about each component, please refer to the links below. This is LED roulette connection diagram. You can get this unit as a kit on Amazon. This is LED connection diagram. I used the multicolor, fast blinking LED diodes. As you can see, the LED diode turns on only when the limit switch is on. This is an improved version of LED connection using LMC555. LED continuously turns on after the ball hits a limit switch, and then it automatically turns off after 10 seconds passed. The pinball machine is not only fun to play, but also fun to build. This is a great project for parents and kids to take on together.